Hi everybody, I'm Natalie with Missouri Star Quilt Company, and today on Embroidery 101 we are going to learn the star stitch. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to start in the center, pulling our needle up from the back, and all we're going to do is trace these lines, putting your needle down at the end of the line and then going back to the middle. And it doesn't matter if you go left to right or right to left, you can go across and back and forth. It makes no difference at all. So we're just coming up in the middle, going out to the end, whoops, of that stitch and making the thread cover that line in one straight single stitch. All right, so we have got an up close look. We're gonna come right back up through the center here and continue stitching straight out to the edge to make these little skinny flower petals or firecracker lines, whatever you want to call them, whatever they want to be to you. Super simple. They make great little snowflakes. Just a really cute, versatile stitch. Lots of times when my grandma would make these, she would put French knots at the ends and in the middle so that they looked like little flowers. All right, I have some really fun projects for you using the star stitch. So these flowers on this cute little hat are all done using star stitch. You can see they're really cute. I think they look a little bit like the dandelions that you can make a wish. They're really fun. You could add French knots to them. And then this one here is done in purples, and they just look like really pretty little flowers. They've got some little French knots in the center. I like how the thread is alternated with lights and darks. It gives it a lot of dimension and texture. If you enjoyed this video, there's lots more where that came from. I have a whole channel called Embroidery 101 where I teach you what you need to know to get started and also give you tons of tips and ideas to refresh your memory and help you to advance in your embroidery journey. So click the link below, and I hope you enjoy. Happy stitching!